Hello everybody. Tonight in level 4 solo jazz plus, we worked on our upper body, making a full picture and just doing anything with it. We were saying it doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be a move-in. We have to be on our way and we have to be finding some new places for our upper body to go. So we worked on screwball, which we had done in previous weeks, but now we had this round arms. We came through, straight arm there, boom. We swung our arms back, hey. We swung our arms back. Boom, waka-da, boom, ha, and boom, and boom. Then we worked on half breaks. Half break, half break. So just swooping our arms down, across, and down, across. Then we did full break. Whap, boom. So coming through with this nice little figure 8 and bringing it in. Then we did Susie Q's. 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Or we just brought one arm up. Remember, you're framing yourself. You're not getting in your own way. And then we talked a little bit about things coming from the shoulders. So we don't just do our fingers on something like a Shorty George. We're working our shoulders. Same thing with Tacky Annie. We're not just moving our arms. We're bringing the part that connects our arms to the middle of us with us. And last thing we did on the boogie drops, we're not just holding things still. Boogie drop, we're dropping as we go. That was a little extra credit. Next week, we're going to pick up the tempo and work on some more challenging steps. Pew!